टोरंटो को बोलने के लिए जानके कॉन्कम पैक्शन दी इंजे मस्ट वियर द वन शेड्स के टेबली के सोल्स एट विलेज मुगिल जिन डिग्नैक्शन ने इनसे जबरदस्त में
Moisture and temperature are carefully measured. Proper moisture ensures the cupcakes remain soft during storage.
Any cupcake that fails inspection is removed immediately. Automated sorting ensures that only perfect products continue.
Controlled airflow stabilizes the frosting. This prevents smudging during packaging. Precise alignment prepares the cupcakes for high-speed packaging. Even spacing ensures smooth automation. Robots carefully place cupcakes into protective trays. These trays prevent damage during transportation.
After decoration, the cupcakes enter a detailed inspection stage. Bright lighting reveals even the smallest imperfections.
Some varieties receive a final decorative dusting. This finishing touch enhances flavor and appearance.
Laser systems verify consistent size and shape. Uniformity is essential for efficient packaging. Once organized into trays, the cupcakes move toward the packaging line. The final stage of preparation is about to begin.
Grouping systems organize cupcakes into uniform sets. This step allows packaging machines to operate efficiently.
Optical inspection systems analyze every cupcake. These cameras detect irregular frosting patterns, shape variations, or missing toppings. Product labels provide essential information about the cupcakes. Automated labelers apply them with perfect accuracy. This packaging hall handles thousands of cupcakes every hour. Advanced machines will soon prepare them for shipment to stores.
High-speed robotic systems place thousands of covers every hour. Precision ensures each tray is sealed correctly. Each package receives a unique batch code. This allows manufacturers to track production and ensure product safety. Carton-forming machines transform flat cardboard sheets into sturdy boxes. These containers will carry cupcakes safely to stores. Sealing machines secure each carton tightly. Proper sealing prevents damage during transportation. Powerful robotic arms organize cartons onto pallets. These stacked pallets prepare the cupcakes for warehouse storage. With packaging complete, the cupcakes are ready for storage. The next step is quality control before shipment.